My name is Chris. We're here with Lobo Off-Road, and we're gonna do some off-roading.
Okay, do it.
This is good.
Do it then.
What do you want? You want an intro?
Starting day 2, we're here in Kanab. We're going to the Wind Cave.
Pink sand, and they have like these picture frame doors that look out at the scenery, so it'll be pretty fun. That's our first stop. It's just a couple minutes away. And then we're heading up the Barracks Trail in Kanab, Utah, and going to coral pink sand dunes. So that'll be fun to see how these Raptors do out in the big dunes.
What do you think, Chris?
It's pretty cool. It's definitely a place if you're in this area to come check out. So we're out here enjoying the dunes, and we came across another Sasquatch.
It was alright today.
like heavy breathing and just pissed. I can't move because the other one's just standing in front.
Hey, beautiful.
We're here at Zion Mountain Ranch, calling it a day on day 2. There's a lot of ups and downs. There's a lot of people getting stuck, a couple of mishaps, but all in all, a good day and good experience. Definitely recommend everyone to make this trip. We are here on day 3 of the Optima Red Rock Yellow Top off-road run. We are here at the Zion Lodge. Definitely remarkable views coming in. Recommend everyone to come check it out if you're in the area. Check out the footage. We made it to the Smith Mesa Lookout overlooking Zion. Check it out. All right, we have made it to our final destination, Toquerville Falls, on our Optima Red Rock Yellow Top off-road adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to follow all our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.